I was working in Sears package pickup. This guy came in. He was a trim carpenter. He had his own company, and he asked me if I knew any carpenters. And I just moved here to Texas from Louisiana. I said, no, I don't know anybody, but I'm new. And he goes, well, do you know anybody who'd like to know carpenter? I said, well, I would. And I remember my dad telling me, he says, man, I can't believe you took this job because you have the patience of a gnat, is what my dad told me. And I learned patience through carpentry, and I can actually relate every piece of my business, every business I've owned, to that confidence that was built in carpentry.